Once upon a time, in a world beyond our own, there lived a group of beings known as the Eternals. Among them was a wise and kind leader named Ajak. Ajak was special. He had the power to summon the other Eternals when they were needed most. But one day, Ajak felt a strange sensation. It was a call, a whisper from another world. "Friends," Ajak said, "I feel a disturbance, a threat to our world. I must go." The Eternals, though worried, knew they had to trust their leader. Ajak journeyed through the cosmos, guided by the stars. He traveled for days, until he reached a planet in turmoil. The people were scared, their homes destroyed, their lives disrupted. "I am Ajak, the Eternal," he declared. "I have come to help." The people looked at him with hope in their eyes. Ajak knew he had to act quickly. He summoned his fellow Eternals, and together they worked tirelessly to rebuild the planet. They healed the sick, taught the people new ways to farm, and protected them from any danger. As the days turned into weeks, the people began to smile again. They thanked Ajak and the Eternals for their help. Ajak knew that his mission was a success. But as they prepared to leave, Ajak felt another call. Another world was in trouble. With a heavy heart, he said goodbye to the people he had grown to love. "Remember," he said, "I will always be here to help. The Eternals are your friends." And with that, he and the Eternals vanished, leaving behind a world that was ready to rebuild. Back home, the Eternals gathered. They knew that there would always be more worlds in need. But they also knew they had a powerful ally in Ajak. And so, they prepared for their next adventure. As Ajak slept, he dreamt of the lives he had touched, the worlds he had saved. He knew that he was just one Eternal, but he also knew that with their powers combined, they could change the universe. And so, Ajak and the Eternals continued their mission, traveling from world to world, helping those in need, and spreading hope wherever they went. And as they did, they knew that they were making a difference, one world at a time. The end.